Welcome to Kemin Quick Bites, where our experts share their knowledge in the least amount of time.
Hi Jeannie, thank you for joining me for this round of Kemin Quick Bites. The Korean market has been very receptive towards the launch of OXINE. Can you share with us why we see such an excellent response?
One of the reasons OXINE is well received in South Korea is due to high food standards adopted. High hygiene standards are incredibly important to food manufacturers, which play an important role in the reputation of an establishment. Food poisoning outbreak caused by biofilm is an error that food industry couldn't control for a number of years. Hence, this leaves high microbial load on the food and food manufacturing environment. It has been always a concern for the food industry. Kemin chlorine dioxide solution can provide what our customer has been looking for. KEEPER and OXINE are beneficial to food manufacturers who require higher hygiene standards and are consuming large amounts of water during their production process. The beauty of OXINE is high efficacy and efficiency in eliminating pathogens, which the use of OXINE, they see the significant qualified result.
Personally, what do you like most about this product?
With the current intervention of OXINE to the current production process, our customer can see overcome the food safety threat of foodborne bacteria without impacting the quality of food. Kemin activation equipment is versatile and can easily fit into any setting of manufacturing process.
Thank you, Jeannie. For more information, follow us on LinkedIn today.